Yeah, I hear that bird singing. This bird been singing at my house for like a few days now. It just came here. What is it doing? I never heard this bird before, ever around here. I wonder if it's a sign, y'all. Y'all hear it going, doo-doo-doo. I mean, it's so loud. You can hear it in my house. It's like by my window or something. The other birds, they just doing regular stuff, but it's this one bird that's singing, been singing for days. Oh, this scared me. This is usually where I plant my garden, y'all, in the front. I had sunflowers down there last year. It was so pretty. On this side, my kids, they've been planting some sticks. I don't know what it is. The bird stopped singing. Oh, it moved. All right, y'all, let me know what y'all think.